Guys, this is Rory Ross from Paper Cup to Tesla. Here I am at the wonderful Chairty Water. Got the great sign over here. Craziest thing we can do is nothing. And here with me are two wonderful guests. We have Ameerah right here.
Hi.
And we also have Jane.
Hi.
They work here at Chairty Water, helping make sure that the stories get told with the marketing team. And they didn't really know this was coming, so here we go. But guys, I'll start with you, Ameerah, first.
Okay.
Name a particular moment in your life where you used the power of intention to create what you wanted.
Oh my god. To create something I wanted, or maybe to get something I wanted?
Exactly.
Okay. Could I kind of talk about my story to Charity Water?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, of course.
well,
I have no problem with that. That's
okay.
what we're supporting.
Cool.
So.
So I actually found out about Charity Water 2 years ago through a class. I just graduated from school in May. I was a journalism major. In one of our classes, we had to research an organization that used social media really well, and so I did a lot of Googling and I found Charity Water, became obsessed with their brand, and I kind of made it my goal to work for them. So basically, like, every project that I did in class that had to do about taking like a campaign from an organization or the way an organization did something, kind of altering it for myself, I would always choose Charity Water as my example, and would just kind of like do everything that I could to learn as much as I could about them. So I made the intention just to kind of like surround myself and dive into like everything Charity Water that I could, so that whenever I did come around to the point of like applying and moving out to New York and meeting the people here, I was set and ready, and I think that it worked out well because I'm here now. So
Right. Yeah.
I guess I kind of got what I wanted. A little bit.
Yeah. You definitely put the, like you said, you put the intention every time you had a project. You always made sure that Charity Water was the one that you were working on, because that's who you wanted to be with, and here you are. You're in New York. You're
Exactly.
So I would definitely say that
I am here.
you accomplished what you were going for. All right, Jane.
All right.
Same question to you.
Same question?
Yeah.
I'm going to talk about traveling.
Okay.
Before I got to college, I'd never left the U.S., but had always wanted to. Google Maps is my most visited website. And got excited about going abroad, and did an application to London, where my school has a satellite campus, and then realized going to the satellite campus of my school would have been essentially staying at my school with the same professors and the same students. So I was like, it's not exactly getting out there and exploring. So
Right.
I found another program in Copenhagen where I knew no one, and I do not speak Danish. Did that program, and then loved being there so much and loved being in unfamiliar situations that when the semester was drawing to a close, I could not imagine coming back to school without plans to get away again. So
Right.
I found a class that took me to China, and I spent 2 weeks in China, traveling around to a lot of rural areas, meeting a lot of people there, and then afterwards, instead of flying back with the rest of my class, myself and 2 other people went to Thailand, where the water crisis is 100% firsthand, and learned a lot about that and the living conditions some people have over there. And then got back here and found Charity Water, and here I am, just in Ameerah.
Right on. So you guys, you can see here, I mean, you got 2 different stories, yet they're all very powerful. They all show that their power of intention. Ameerah here, she wanted to work with Charity Water. There's something she was very passionate about, and here she is, right here in New York, wonderful city. And then Jane, you decided that you wanted to go outside of your comfort zone. You wanted to go see what was out there more than what you've known. And it sounds like you had great experiences, and not only that, you got to experience more firsthand of what was going on in Thailand. And now you have that chance to really impact them in such a powerful way. So, listeners, you guys who have been checking out the videos, think about that. You think about something that you wanted to do, but you were afraid to get out of your comfort zone, and realize the potential that is unlocked when you take those chances and you are daring and adventurous, and you decide to go forth out of that comfort zone and see what's out there. It's amazing. So thank you, two wonderful ladies, for
Thank you.
being willing to be interviewed on the impromptu side. And thank you guys for helping out with Chairty Water. I think they're a fantastic organization, and that's why we've decided to support them and continue on their mission to provide clean water for everyone. So thank you so much.
Thank you.